health enthusiasts. Welcome to the Ultimate Kale Guide. I'm your host, Amna, and I'm super excited to share with you the amazing benefits and uses of this incredible superfood. From its nutritional profile to delicious recipes, beauty tips, and more, we'll cover it all. So, let's dive in. Number 1, Nutrition and Health Benefits. Kale Benefits. Kale is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, plus minerals like calcium, iron, and potassium. Its antioxidant properties and glucosinolates may help reduce cancer risk, support digestive health, boost immunity, and even reduce inflammation. 2. Types of kale and how to choose kale. Did you know there are several types of kale? Curly, lacinato, red Russian, and baby kale, each with its own unique flavor and texture. When choosing kale, opt for crisp, vibrant leaves and avoid wilted or yellowed ones. Go organic or locally grown when possible. 3. Preparing and cooking kale. Prepping kale is easy. Wash, remove stems, tear into bite-sized pieces, and dry. Then, enjoy it steamed, sautéed, roasted, or added to soups and smoothies. Get creative with your favorite recipes. 4. Delicious kale recipes. Here are the top 5 delicious kale recipes, along with their benefits. Kale salad, high in vitamins and antioxidants. This salad is a quick and easy way to enjoy your favorite greens. Kale chips, rich in vitamins and minerals. Kale chips are a healthy alternative to regular chips. Sautéed kale, packed with garlic and olive oil. Sautéed kale is a flavorful side dish. Kale pesto pizza. This pizza is a flavorful and healthy alternative to traditional pizza. Garlic parmesan kale pasta. This pasta is a healthy and tasty alternative to traditional pasta, with the added nutritional benefits of kale. Kale's benefits extend beyond the plate. Its antioxidants and vitamins make it a great ingredient for DIY face masks and hair treatments. Give your skin and hair a healthy boost with kale. 6. Fun facts. Germans have a festival dedicated to kale, which includes a hike, beer, and kale, and the person who eats the most kale is honored with the title of Kale King. That's it for the Ultimate Kale Guide. I hope you learned something new and useful today. So, what's your favorite health benefit of kale? Or, do you have a favorite kale recipe or tip to share? And, have you ever tried growing your own kale? Share your experiences with us in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness content.